Hello, in this video we are going to introduce 3 confusing verbs for Chinese beginners. The 3 words all could be used to express want, would like. They are 想, 要 and 想要. So we are going to learn the differences between them. First, let's learn about the usage when they are followed with a verb, that is, want or would like to do something. The first one is 想. 想 expresses the speaker's wish or plan to do something. It is just a thought in the speaker's mind, not the determination to do something. For example, 我想回家. 回家 go home. 我想回家. I want to go home. I have the plan or the thought to go home, but it is not the final plan. 我想回家. Another one is 要. 要 compared to 想 is more resolute or assertive. It indicates the speaker has the plan or the determination to do something. For example, 我要回家. The tone is much stronger. It means I'm going home. 我要回家. 我要回家. More examples. 我想喝咖啡. 喝咖啡 drink coffee. 我想喝咖啡 I like to drink coffee. 我要喝咖啡 I would take coffee. So 想 compared to 要, the tone is much softer, and 要, the tone is much stronger. Compared to 想 and 要, 想要 is seldom used with the verbs, but when it is used with the verbs, the tone is between 想 and 要. It is stronger than 想, but not that stronger and determined than 要. For example, 我想要喝咖啡 I like to drink coffee. 我想要喝咖啡我想要回家 I want to go home. 我想要回家 Next, we will introduce the usages with the nouns. If we want to express want or would like something, we can only use the 2 words, 想要 and 要. 想 with the nouns has totally different meanings. We'll introduce later. The difference between 想要 and 要 is that 要 is more resolute and assertive. For example, 我要咖啡 I'll have coffee. So the speaker is quite determined and resolute that he will have coffee. 我想要咖啡 I like coffee. The tone is not that strong compared to 要. 我想要咖啡 More examples. 我要白色的 白色的 the white one. 我要白色的 I'll take the white one. So the speaker is quite sure that he will have the white one. 我想要白色的 I like the white one. The tone is not that stronger compared to 要. 我想要白色的 When 想 is followed with a noun, it has totally different meanings compared to 要 and 想要. It means miss. For example, 我想你 I miss you. 我想家 家 home, family. 我想家 I miss home. So when 想 is followed with the nouns, it means miss. To conclude, 想 想要 要 could be used with the verbs to indicate want or would like to do something. 想 the tone is much softer. It expresses the speaker's wish to do something. 想要 is seldom used with the verbs, and the tone is between 想 and 要. 要 is much more assertive and resolute. Its tone is much more stronger. 想要 and 要 could be used with the nouns to indicate want or would like something. 想 with the nouns has different meanings. It means miss. Compared to 要, 想要, the tone is much softer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and click the notification sound bell for more videos. See you next time.